Welcome to this edition of Lanterra's Neighbourhood series. I'm your host, Diana D'Amelio. I'm standing in front of 50 Scollard, where construction is well underway. And tonight, we're going to walk through the neighborhood and celebrate the holiday season in Bloor-Yorkville. Yorkville is beautiful any time of the year. It simply is the best of the best, with luxurious shopping, superb dining, and amazing events all year round. And during the holidays, it's simply breathtaking. Happy holidays from everyone at Lanterra Developments.